The authorities are investigating the cause of death of a 10-month-old child. It's understood that she was being treated at the Bustamante Hospital for respiratory symptoms and fever. She was subsequently diagnosed with bronchopneumonia. However, hospital officials say blood was observed in the child's diaper. Closer inspection revealed her vagina was bruised and there were lacerations to her body. When contacted, the Child Protection Agency, CPFSA, says the child was brought to the hospital by a family member. In a statement, CPFSA says after a medical inspection, doctors suspected that the child was a victim of abuse.